Starting a company in South Africa involves a number of steps to ensure compliance with legal, tax, and regulatory requirements. This video is a detailed guide on how to start a company in South Africa. Before we proceed, we kindly ask you consider showing your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Choose a business idea. Identify a product or service you want to offer based on market demand and your expertise. Conduct market research. Study your target market, competitors, and industry trends. Write a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, competitive advantage, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Register your company with CIPC online registration. Register your company online through the CIPC portal, www.cipc.co.za, or visit a CIPC agent. Some banks offer business registration services. The required documents are a copy of each director's ID, physical and postal addresses, company's proposed name and business activities. The registration fee varies depending on the type of company. You can always check the website for current fees. Once approved, you will receive a Certificate of Incorporation, a Memorandum of Incorporation, MOI, a company registration number. Register with the South African Revenue Service, SARS. After incorporation, you need to register for a tax reference number with SARS, VAT registration. If your turnover is expected to exceed 1 million ZAR per year, you must register for value-added tax with SARS. Pay as you earn, PAYE. If you plan to employ staff, register for PAYE to withhold taxes from employee salaries. Unemployment Insurance Fund. Register for UIF to ensure employees are covered in case of unemployment. Skills Development. Levy. This is applicable if your annual payroll exceeds 500,000 ZAR. Select a South African bank that offers business banking services. Banks typically require Certificate of Incorporation, Memorandum of Incorporation, MOI, Company Registration Number, IDs of the directors, Proof of Address. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need specific licenses or permits such as liquor license, if you are opening a bar or restaurant that serves alcohol, health permits for food businesses or medical-related enterprises, import-export license, if you plan to trade internationally, sector-specific licenses for industries such as mining, telecommunications, or energy, which require specific regulatory approval. Employment contracts. Ensure that employment agreements are drafted in line with South Africa's labor laws. Basic Conditions of Employment Act, BCEA. Comply with minimum wage laws, working hours, leave policies, and health and safety regulations. Occupational Health and Safety Act, OHSA. If your business involves physical work environments, ensure you comply with OHSA to provide a safe workplace. File annual returns with CIPC. Every registered business must file annual returns with CIPC to remain in good standing. Late filing incurs penalties. Tax compliance. Ensure that you submit annual tax returns and pay VAT, PAYE, and other taxes as applicable. Renew permits. Some business permits and licenses need to be renewed periodically. There are a few additional tips that you can consider. You can consider buying insurance, seeking funding, seeking legal advice, and spreading your networking. So, by following these steps, you will be well positioned to start and grow your company in South Africa.